This bunkhouse could be towed by any half-ton truck. This is a Wildwood 174 BHLE, and this thing is only 3,000 pounds dry. This sucker's 20 feet and 1 inch in length and sleeps up to 4 people. Around the back, we have a mount for a backup camera, as well as a mount for a ladder so we can access our fully walkable roof. Let's get on inside this, John, and see what's up. Wowie zowie, this is my kind of camper. It's lightweight, pretty minimal in here. Personally feel if you bring too many luxuries along, it's no longer camping, and this is about where I max out. I mean, you got a fireplace in here, you got a 2-burner gas stove, little undermount sink, mini fridge here, of course. You can bring along some appliances, maybe a coffee maker, toaster, or an air fryer up here. On this door, we got our baño. Nothing crazy, foot flush toilet down below, standing shower here. Exiting the bathroom, right to our left, we have our little bunk area. We got twin bunks here. Pretty basic, but they do the trick. You also have plenty of storage space underneath these bunks. Each one has an outlet. Right here we got a little dining area. This table will fold down and you can tuck it away underneath this bed. And if you've got a dog, this actually works really well as a doggy bed. Or if one of the kids is being naughty, you can designate them to this bed here. Of course, we got our queen bed up front. Nothing crazy. You might want to replace this mattress. It's fine for a night or two, but I wouldn't use it for long-term stays. We got our storage underneath here. This connects to our outside storage. We got our spare toyer there. Little wardrobe area, hang some clothes. Let me know if you got any questions on this camper. The phone is in the bio.